If you're jumping into an unfamiliar area of the law, you may want to start your research with the Legal Encyclopedia. They're great for a ground-up approach to research, outlining major areas of the law in a way that's easy to process if you're unfamiliar with the subject matter. In this video, we'll be focusing on one of the most reputable legal encyclopedias, American Jurisprudence. Here, for example, we have the chapter on adverse possession from American Jurisprudence. In the table of contents, you'll find some general information on adverse possession, followed by the elements of the claim, then some other details about the law. If you expand a section here, let's say we want to explore what constitutes open, notorious, and visible possession in general, you'll find a brief description of the law. This is just a quick primer on this one element of adverse possession. For example, short definitions of the terms open, notorious, and visible. You generally won't see much detail, but that's also its advantage as a research tool. If you want to quickly familiarize yourself with an area without getting bogged down in details, legal encyclopedias are the right place to look. But there's a catch with American Jurisprudence. It deals with subjects on a national level, so scrolling down to the citations, you'll see cases from Pennsylvania, Mississippi, and Maine. All we have here is a sampling of the law, so there are going to be a lot of state-specific details that American Jurisprudence doesn't cover. So legal encyclopedias like this are usually only good for generalizations of state law. There are some state-specific encyclopedias in addition to the national ones, so let's look at how you can browse those. On the Westlaw homepage, select Secondary Sources. You'll find a list of legal encyclopedias under Jurisprudence and Encyclopedias. Here you'll find American Jurisprudence. You'll also find a variety of other encyclopedias, including state-specific encyclopedias, and Corpus Juris Secundum, which is another highly regarded encyclopedia similar to American Jurisprudence. You can search all legal encyclopedias using the search box, but you may want to try running a more targeted search by selecting a specific publication. After clicking through, you can run a search in that specific encyclopedia, or you can click through the subject categories to find articles. On the Lexis homepage, select Secondary Materials. American Jurisprudence is highlighted at the top. At the moment, Lexis doesn't have quite as many options for legal encyclopedias, but you may find more encyclopedia-like resources by exploring links to federal and state secondary sources on this page. If you have any questions about accessing legal encyclopedias or need help with the next steps of your research, please reach out to us at lawref@colorado.edu.